You're watching Dancehall and News TV on YouTube. Please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you will be notified of new uploads. And now the news. Road fatalities projected to rise. 3 charged over illegal gun. PNP, JLP ready to register. In case you missed it, here are Observer Online's top 10 stories for today. Number 1. 24 killed in road crashes since December. The Road Safety Unit in the Ministry of Transport has reported that 24 people have been killed in motor vehicle crashes since the start of this month, pushing the tally to 316 people so far this year in comparison to 379 deaths for the same period in 2016. Number 2. JFJ urges government to resolve police wage dispute. Jamaicans for Justice, JFJ, has thrown its support behind the request of rank-and-file police officers for improved pay and working conditions. Number 3. 2 men and a woman charged with possession of firearm. The Denham police are reporting this morning seizure of a Browning 9mm pistol and 12 rounds of ammunition on a Toyota Coaster bus on Slippy Road, Kingston 5. Number 4. Rihanna calls for end to gun violence in Barbados after cousin's murder. The Barbados-born international singer, Rihanna, has called for an end to gun violence in her country after her 21-year-old cousin was shot dead on Tuesday night. Number 5. Homemade liquor kills 12, sickens 21 in Dominican Republic. Authorities in the Dominican Republic say at least a dozen people have died and 21 more have been hospitalized after drinking homemade liquor containing methanol. Number 6. Obama warns of social media dangers. In interview with Prince Harry, former U.S. President Barack Obama told Britain's Prince Harry he was concerned social media was corroding civil discourse, in what he said was his first interview since leaving the White House, aired Wednesday. Number 7. UDC announces parking arrangements for 2017 fireworks. The Urban Development Corporation, UDC, has announced that in an effort to facilitate some of the expected 300,000 patrons at its fireworks on the waterfront along the Ocean Boulevard in downtown Kingston on Sunday, several of its car parks along with those of other stakeholders are to be used during the event. Number 8. Political parties ready for January 2nd registration. The island's 2 major political parties say they are ready to submit their applications for registration with the Registrar of Political Parties at the Electoral Commission of Jamaica, ECJ, when the long-awaited process begins on January 2nd. Number 9. Mo Bay flood victims receive help from ministry. Residents of Montego Bay, St. James, whose houses and other belongings were destroyed by the flood that swept through sections of the city on November 22, have received assistance from the government. Number 10. Windies lose only a point despite ODI thrashing. West Indies have suffered minimal fallout from their one-day series whitewash at the hands of New Zealand. Thanks for watching Dancehall and News TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Until the next video, treat others the way they treat you. I'm out.